So right now, this is like, let me open the folder because I'm basically still working on. I'm working on a new project actually. I'm just doing it here. Well, let's open this folder and let me show you what I've done so far. Here's my local host. So let's open this. I'm going to, okay, I'm in this folder already, right? Okay, so this is a dashboard I'm trying to work on. A dashboard that I can be using to take on any type of project like this. So if I come here and click on my profile, it's going to load. You can see my profile details. Edit info, it will load this. Edit image is going to load you to update your image. But I have an error in this code actually. I'm trying to fix it though, and I would. You can see that. Let me change this so that this place displays the preview image. Alright. The way this header is displaying the preview image. So let's come back and see something. Let's come here. This is a folder I'm working on. So where's my logics? Where's my include? It should be my sidebar, right? So there's like a first header and a second header. So come back here. So this is the navbar. Let's come to the header. Yeah, this is the header. So there's an image. This is it. I'll copy this one and come back to my profile view, and then that image down, I'm going to paste it there. Where is it? Edit image. Is it? So I think, let me Alt Z this thing. It should be where? I don't even know where it should be again. Let me remove this code and see where it is going to pop out from. That one has popped out, right? Okay. So Ctrl Z. I want it to be there. So this is it. I can read this thing. This is it. This is where it should be. Control R this thing. That thing is going to change. Did it change? Fine. But this is not going to work because it's not updated. So let's just choose another file and see what's up. Okay, it's still the same thing. I want how this picture changes here. I want here to change also because here is where you are previewing it, not here. But I don't know why it's giving this error. You can see that the header already sent. Now, this thing is supposed to reload this page. It's supposed to return a redirect refresh function, but it's not working yet, and that's because they are telling me this header already sent the output. So I'm just trying to debug this error and fix this code. But if you refresh this page now, let's come back to the dashboard. This picture didn't change. It didn't change. There's some. Oh, I'm tired. But this is okay. Let's try and change the password and see something. This is my current password. Let me put one of my passwords and see. This should work. Password changed successfully. You'll be signed out shortly. Yes. You should sign me out. I don't think it's going to work because of this header issue. But let's log out by ourselves and see. Let's log out and see something. Fuck. I'm tired. So Imanche password. You see, the password works. It's working, but I just need to fix some errors. You see, the picture is even working. The profile updated. You see, if you start a new session, it updates. You can see that. So, app users, let's check administrators. You can see I am active. This admin is active. So, I'm going to change all of these things in the dashboard. I'm going to take all of these things away so that it shows the actual thing that is happening on the site. Alright, so I think that's basically all. Let's check members. There's no member yet because I'm trying to create a member table. I'm trying to create the member logics of this platform. Well, now let me show you what I've done on Click Alert. Let's come to CB. Here's it. I think this should be the folder bar. Nah, this is rubbish. This is not the one. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. This is what I did here. So let's register as a new member. Let me come to my database and clear. Let me check the member table. I want to clear one member from here now. Let me clear this and match one. So I want the name to be Nonik. Let's say name is Nonik. First name Anselm Anyala Bechi. Yeah. Email address. Let me just use an email address that I can use to get emails here. Because I'm going to verify this account phone number. I just use 0067. My gender, I'm a male. So password. Let me register now. You can see you have been registered successfully. So let's go to that Gmail address where I put when I was signing up. I think this should be it, right? Is this it? Someone check one. This is it. So let's come to Gmail. Let's come to the Gmail. You can see it. So I called this from my PHP mailer. Welcome, Anselm Analabichi. So let me show you where I did this from. Okay, this is it. Admin vendor. This is it. Open admin. Yeah. See it here, PHP mailer. So when I was setting the logics for, come here, let me see include folder, logics for register. You can see it,吧? Did I send mail from here? Yeah, I sent mail from here. So I said the moment these things have been inserted into the database and it is successfully done, it should require admin mailer to push those mails out. So let's come back to my mail folder so that you see what I did in the config. Okay, let's come to the mail. See it. You can see it. You can see it. So this folder I'm even working with is the old one self. Well, I've done a lot of things, but this is where I configured it from. So I did templates for each of my mails. I said if it is a new account, it should send this type of mail. If it is a notification, let's say you've made a sale, blah 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 blah, it should send this type of mail. And if it is when you want to verify your account, send this type of mail. Alright, so notification goes to the customer, the vendor if his product is being sold, and then the member that sold his commission. So let's come and verify our account. Now I'm going to work on these two fucking buttons, okay? I'm going to work on them. So click here to verify, would help you verify your account. Click here to subscribe. I'm working on the logics for users to be able to subscribe on the site. I mean, subscription, when you sign up, you go and pay for subscription so that it expires 1 year after you've used the site. Okay, so let's just click here to verify. I'm not done with the subscription logics. You can see it as part of the verification process. You're expected to verify your identity by clicking this button. So let's try and verify our account. You see, it was successfully done. A confirmation email has been sent to you. That's a notification. This is it. Account verified successfully. Below is your access credentials. This will enable you to have easy login subsequently. So this is your username, this is your full name, the email we used, my phone, and then the password is the password you use when creating your account. I don't disclose information for security purposes. So let's sign in now that we've verified our account. You can sign in with your ID, your username, or your email. That's the logic I built on this platform. Okay, so let's just use Nonik, and then the password we created. You can see, welcome Nonik, you'll be logged in shortly. So let me control this. So you can see that your all-time sales is 000. Because why? OTNS Web Services Design by Manchester More. Why? Because you fucking don't have any sale. So let's come to published products. I think there are 2 published products here. And the vendors that publish these products are just, they are on this platform, they are vendors, okay? So any product that is published will come here. So let's copy affiliate link. I didn't do much here with the link copying. It's taking my time. So I also use JavaScript, okay? So just tell you your link has been copied. So if you paste this link, look at what I did here. Can you see how amazing this thing looks like? So now you can see the vendor self, the vendor, about the vendor. This is the vendor, and you, that is the user. I can take this whole thing away, but I like the fact that this looks like this. I mean, I can always use this to develop a much more advanced checkout page. All right, so let's check out now. The checkout page. So see the product, and you're buying only 1 copy. Shipping is free. The cost is 50,000 naira. So let's say the person that's going to buy this thing is Jennifer. This is where my head is still scattering because I'm still working on the logics to deliver these meals successfully. I'm going to do it. So let's say the person buying Jennifer or SARS. Email address. Let me check my customer table. So that I'll just use one of the emails that are there already to check out. So let's just control this Gmail and come back here. Phone number. Let's just use any fucking phone number. And the person is a girl. So let's place order. If you hover on this button to take it to make payment, you see? I love this. So it's going to take you to Paystack. Use it. So this is a test key. This is not live. Until the bank papers can be prepared for this, and then you work. So let's pay 50k. Successful. You've paid 50k to blah 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 blah. Now you can see it's loading the payment status. I'm going to change this loading. I don't like it, but it's okay, Sha. It's going to take you back to your dashboard and tell you you've made 1 sale. This is it. Total sales 1. 1 is settled, 0 failed. Your withdrawals is 0. So let's try and make withdrawal. Let me go to the admin panel of this site because I'm going to approve a withdrawal from there. I think this is the admin panel. And there should be money here. Completed sales. It should show here. This is it. 1 minute ago. Dollar income machine was sold. So let's come back to your dashboard. Let's say you want to withdraw 25,000 naira today. I set this to make sure you cannot withdraw all the money you have in your account, right? You basically can take out probably 15,000 or 20, no, 15,000 alone. 10,000 is always left in the account. You can see its maximum withdrawable is 15k. So you request withdrawals. I don't think this is going to go because you have not updated your bank details on this site. But let me just show you how it works. Let's try to withdraw 20,000 naira or 10,000 naira. Request. You can see that withdrawal of 10,000 was logged successfully. You'll be contacted once it's approved by the admin. So let's come back to the admin dashboard and reload. You are going to see that there is withdrawal request here. I built this fucking thing, you know. You can see it from a member, and his name is Nonik. 1 minute ago. This is just fancy time, cool time. It is showing you the time that we are right now. So this is the withdrawal reference. So now, in this case, I can go and check your account balance and see if you have the money even you are trying to withdraw. Let's check. Have I done it here? I think I have done it here. Yes, I have done it here. Nonik has 25,000. So he has requested a withdrawal of 15,000. So we can pay him because his money is here. Okay? His money is here. So let's go back to the dashboard. But right now your bank, we don't have your bank details. So how can we pay you? So let's reject this. It's going to send you a mail that we rejected your withdrawal request because your bank details are not there. Let's check your mail. See it. You see, you just made a successful order. When you made a sale, it came out. See it here. So your withdrawal request was rejected. Your withdrawal request of 10,000 was rejected. You have not updated your bank information. Kindly go to your profile and update all your information. So let's go to your profile and update all your information. Right? Let me just put a test account. So I'm going to click here my profile. No picture. Edit info. Let's put account number. Let's say my account number 2022752248. Bank is Kuda Bank. Now, let's put your image so that it just looks fine. Let me just put this fucking guy for town. So let's upload this image. Edit info. See the image is showing here. Overview. It's going to show here. So it is not coming because I have not saved it and it has reloaded. So let me just use back. Now in this case, I don't need any payments gateway to generate the banks for me. You can just do it manually. So save changes. So you can see that your bank is there. So if you request it now, you can see that your withdrawals is showing 0 naira. I can drop another dashboard here to show you rejected withdrawals, but it's just going to populate the whole database. There is no need for that. So let's just come here again. You can see status is not active. That is it. The status is gray. It means you didn't go and you got a mail, so you know why. So let's try and withdraw 5,000 naira. Let's request this withdrawal. Come back here and click on dashboard and then check the requests. You'll see your bank account number and your bank name is showing here already. And you requested this 24 seconds ago. So I'll just go and check your balance. If you have this amount of money, I'll pay you from the bank. And then before I pay you, I send you a mail called approve. So your withdrawal was approved successfully. So come back to your mail. You're going to get a mail from the brand telling you your withdrawal, you have received a payment. Hello Nonik, your withdrawal request of 5,000 was approved. You shall receive an notification mail from your bank once the payment has been confirmed. So where did I do this logics from? This is it. I did it from here. Come and see where I did it from the admin index.php. I've done a whole lot of thing here. This is the view. I'm looking for the logics. This is it. You can see it. I said it. When, if it is do rwire, I gave this name to withdrawal request, reject, r withdrawal request, reject withdrawal request. So I set a function called php if is set. If it is set to this view, display this information for me. But if the button it is no, this rwire means reject no, it should still be on my admin root, which is my home view, and then tell me that I'm about to reject withdrawal for you. Okay, and then if I do the action, it should change the status of your withdrawal request from the withdrawal table, and then the new balance that will show on your dashboard should be the former balance, which is what? See it here, db ubal. Let's find db ubal. Let's check awire. You see it, db ubal. So I think we called it somewhere around here in the auth. Let me check the authentication. Auth.php. Where is it? db ubal. Where is db ubal? Is there db ubal here? I don't know. But config. Is in the config? This is the mail config. Let me check back this config. It should be down. Is there db ubal here? There's no db ubal here. I'm looking for where I called that function. There's somewhere I called it. Oh, I can't find it. But I did it here. New bal is equals to db ubal. I set this thing. There's no way I'll call this thing without setting it. I said it. See it here. db ubal is equals to go to the table of the user. See it. And pick his balance for me. So if I reject your withdrawal, you should just go back to your table of your balance and show your balance on your dashboard, meaning nothing happened. So you can see it. You can see the email logic. Target email is equals to the email that is on the database, that is for the person that requested a withdrawal. So subject, your withdrawal request was rejected. See it here. db amount is the amount you try to withdraw. Is it db amount? Withdrawals amount. You can see. So that's how it works for members and obviously for vendors. Let me sign you up as a vendor. You see this place we used to sign up? Who's there will sign up with now? Who's there will sign up with, I'm sure. This is it. This is it. So I'm going to sign you up as a vendor, so that you can see how it works for vendors. But it's the same thing, just that vendors on here can publish products. So if you want to sign up, you have been registered as a vendor. So let's go back to that mail. It should come here and tell you welcome. Congrats on creating a vendor account. Also, a vendor. Click the link below to verify your account and subscribe. Also know that your login credentials will be sent to this email once you have subscribed and verified your account via this link, and you cannot create two vendor accounts. So let's just do the same thing. Okay, I'm having an error. Something is throwing an error here now, so I'm just going to work on this. But this is how it works for members. So I'm done with this record.